That ain't an excuse, so love of my life. You write these cockroaches a check for enough money, they'll write you a prescription for anything.
Yo, we still need to see that movie. Yeah.
Flying today. With a team of flight attendants that are old, resentful bags or angry middle-aged men who failed in life. Fly US. Sit back, relax, and shut up. We never stop. Never stop. Not even when it hurts. Didn't hurt. Didn't hurt. Didn't hurt. Non-stop pop. Unforgettable memories from the 80s, 90s, noughties, and today. Breaking news.
A gang shootout in Puerto del Sol.
Excitement.
Ooh, too close!
Raiders' new product launch.
A breakthrough in the notorious Leonora Johnson case.
The Sonora Desert, a hotbed for illegal arms trafficking from south of the border.
Is the paparazzi going out of business? Some hope so.
A quiet cul-de-sac erupted in gang violence yesterday as a bloody massacre left several Vagos gang members dead. A trail of devastation and no clear idea what happened or why. Police don't know if this means the drug wars between Hispanic gangs have reignited or if this was simply a deal or an altercation gone terribly wrong.
The smuggling of weapons from the U.S. into Mexico has transformed the Sonora Desert region into a war zone in recent months, with rival traffickers including Mexican gang Barrios Los Aztecas and El Salvadoran gang the Punta Grande clashing with rivals.
Top secret but heavily marketed new hardware is just days away now, and the hype is at
Well, you don't
a fever
see me
pitch.
driving?
Social networking fanatics prove once again.
You're such a fucking dictator!
Why the fuck not?
Let's take Amanda's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Dad? Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it! I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it, they just want to take it! I'm hiding in the head!
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
Lesson number one. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had both privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah. Man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way.
Shit.
Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Hey, what we about to do?
I'm gonna get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing.
All right, man, shit. Fuck it, let's do this.
All right, I got a piece of the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out.
All that's cool, man. You shoot with one hand and drive with the other. But my motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking traffic.
You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson number 1.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me close.
Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
And you busted. Oh, fuck!
This is gonna kill me. Come on! Shit! What the fuck? Oh, they didn't! They fucking shot the engine! Fuck! If you hurt my boy, or my boat, you know who you're stealing from? Hey! Over here!
Hey! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already! Hey, shoot this motherfucker! Jesus!
Okay, now go find Jimmy!
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help!
Yeah. I'll get under you as soon as I can! Give me a second, Jim!
I'm slipping! This is it!
Hey, this little fat fuck ain't gonna hold up much more.
I shouldn't have eaten all those nachos.
Don't you let go of that
I
thing!
can't do this anymore.
Sit tight! I'll get under you!
Hey, this little dude ain't got no
can't hold on
strength, man.
much
Get
longer.
up under him.
I'm
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad.
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Fuck, kid.
Hey, get me off this damn thing. I ain't jumping for here, man. Get close. Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice.
All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
You've made me an accessory to manslaughter. Now that doesn't sound good.
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drive us there, we can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough! Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you do
man.
much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking?
Yeah, you know, I come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at it. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Howard. He gonna look after me.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
All right.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it.
Come on, man, let's get in there.
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk. There you go.
Recondition.
All fixed.
Sweet. Oh yeah, take your time, dog. We want to do this right.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin, or the credit fraud guy, the home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't he? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talking.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired. Like,
You gotta watch out, fool.
Like, his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally... Careful! I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting your resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey,
That was
you feel
your
right to
fault.
slaughter?
Nah, not since the first couple.
Okay. Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But, hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog, all right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace. Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me! Employee of the month! Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun to my head.
No loyalty! No integrity! You should have taken the bullet! My business, my totally legitimate business! You're fucked, my boy! Fucked!
That's some luck right there. Out the car, nigga.
좋다. 개새끼야.
Oh, man.
I've got somewhere to be.
I was gonna order dessert.
I guess you'll be enjoying it alone.
man. Hey. How you doing?
Ow, Flappertap!
Jesus! Hey!
You gotta try the paleo diet. Get involved.
What's up, man?
I ain't got time for bullshit. I'm a... Every time. Well, I'll be.
Shit!
Damn it!
Look out! Amanda, it's me. So, you want to try to reconnect?
We just said goodbye. You're being weird again, Michael.
Of course. I'm only your husband.
Idle hands, homie. You know how it is. Hey, look, man, I gotta go, so holler at me sometime. Yeah, man, foreign gangsters, homie. Hey, look, call me if something comes up, all right?
Hey, my man, where you going?
Strawberry.
All right, let's hit the road.
Come on, let's get going.
I guess you're in a hurry. Damn it. Fuck! Shit! Damn it! All right, brother, here we are.
Hey, Franklin, why don't you come over here and let me take care of that lonely ass?
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB? Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right. Where your wheels at? But you ain't even got no car?
All right, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh, man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on. Speed it up, homie.
Buckle up.
Sure, we can stop here. Yeah, I'll drop you here. Yo, dude.
Can you spare any money, friend?
Cab, hey!
What the fuck?
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
What streets they took? That's what connects us as people.
Jesus.
You know what? We got this great hip-hop to see us through. Radio Los Santos.
Weasel News.
Car carnage in Pillbox Hill.
An upsurge in armed ATM robberies has localized.
Oh, hell!
Richards Majestic.
His iFind street map sharing pics of you on the toilet.
A car dealership in Pillbox.
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in.
Simeon Mutarian assured police that this incident was purely an accident and...
Aye, baby. Back it up nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my...
Whoa!
This was not how I saw my day going.
Get your head in the game. Keep an eye on the car. So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dope heads. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. That's whack.
And its content searchable is the future. This is the future. Privacy rights advocates were booed by liberal activists who feel everything should be online free.
Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool?
of game is that? Fuck you all up on my ride. Bullshit, homie.
Ah, something don't feel too good.
No fucking way. Messed up. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, hang in there, homie.
Hi.
Hey, what's happening, homie? Motherfucker. What's happening? Yeah, all right, dawg.
Whatever, man. Time was, my brother used to know who to trust around here. Not no more. Show, man. Man, these young cats is crazy, you know? Yeah, brother. You oh, shit! No! Fuck!
Citizens reporting 240. Below Samsung Death Club.
Oh my god! I'ma smoke your ass. Jesus! Hey! Motherfucker!
You get wild, chill.
This shit going on. Swimming in the ocean, performing tricks with red nets, jumping through hoops, falling in love with all the zookeepers. We can learn a lot from fish.
I think I'm...
Man, sorry about that.
Same thing. Don't you correct me on the air in front of my people.
Next caller, are you on the line?
I am calling from the San Andreas State Penitentiary.
Dad? Is that you, Dad? Daddy!
Oh my...
Daddy!
Oh my god, every single time a guy calls an integrated health show from a correctional facility, you think it's your dad.
We rolling deep by the 40s in the...
Man, look the fuck out.
Out of the way! Police business!
Oh, fuck! This got to stop happening to me.
$150 an hour to fuck my wife in my own bed?
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a misunderstanding.
She fucked a brick in my bed.
You bullshitting me.
It wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
You okay, homie? What happened?
Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy I'm paying to teach her tennis.
Tennis coach? Oh, that's fucked up, man. Who is dude, homie? You know, back in the hood, man, we gotta watch out for the mailman, dog.
Yeah, I'm a cuckold, a snob, and a fucking cliche.
He went left again, dog.
Come on, he ain't got away yet.
Fuck, man, I think he lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him.
Man, look the fuck out!
You see that little piece of shit? Okay, this is the turn.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
Yeah, keep your eye out. He left his car. Check it out. Little prick's up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
Hey! Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debts!
Michael, Bud! You got the wrong idea, man!
He's about to have a real clear idea of where I'm coming from. There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, Bud!
But there were a lot of freaking sessions, Bud! I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand!
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand! On your face!
Bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, Bud.
We hooked up, man.
You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, Bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Oh, hey! Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Let's see what happens!
Dude, you are probably crazy! Oh, shit! Sorry, damn, fuck already! Oh, hell yeah, homie, you know the time frame. Man, I think that shit's coming down, man. Come on, man, do it to him. Are you fucking serious, nigga?
Yeah! Huh, come on!
Fuck, man, fuck!
Oh, we did it! Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude's house off the fucking hill?
We were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's an expensive bitch ass lesson, man.
Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? It's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! You're a dead one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh. Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo! Fuck you!
Whoa. Oh. Martin Madrazo?
That's what she said.
Hey, dude's a kingpin, homie. Man, you better hope.
I ain't hoping anything. Chick was hysterical. Chill out.
What the hell do you think you're doing? What? You're for real? I don't fucking believe this. It's my idea. I came up with it. Listen, if you do this, I'm gonna destroy you. You got that? Oh, yeah, I'm so scared. Sure, I'm trembling.
Hey, man, there's some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind us.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
All right, I'll try. Let's move.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Leave me alone! You! Yes, that one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Green light! Green light!
Bullshit!
Green light! Martin Madrazo! Fuck you!
Whoa. Oh, Martin? Martin Madrazo?
That's what she said.
Damn, dude's a kingpin, homie. You better hope.
I ain't hoping anything. Chick was hysterical. Chill out. Screw the truck! Let's leave it! Ah! Hey, Coach should be doing the Russian broad. Chick needs to chill the fuck out.
Shit, we got some heavy on this, homie.
You kidding me? Kid, can you do something?
I'll do my best, let's go.
Got a piece? You can handle these guys. What the hell?
It's a misunderstanding, motherfucker!
Come on, kid.
Hey, fuck off!
You want to talk? Let's do it.
There you go. That dude. Shit! This is intense, dog.
Back up, you prick.
Fuck, man, these assholes are mean!
Hey! We fight back, you cock!
Hey, how you doing over there? I got one. I wasn't expecting this shit when I came over here. Hey, the essays is booked.
Okay, we go back to my house and think about this. Wow. Shit. You did good. I mean, your aim's all over the place, but you were a help.
Thanks. I guess.
Hey, don't get defensive. Go to a shooting range, work on your aim. You'll do fine.
Oh, fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? Well, you did good, kid.
I'm cool, man. I mean, you, mentally.
Mentally? Oh, man, I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes! Fucking A, Bubba!
Man, you sound kind of... You sound kind of mad. You just been greenlit by the Mexican underworld ambassador to Los Santos.
Trust me, we handled it. Whoever the fuck Martin Madrazo is, I've known worse.
We just handled a few low-ranking crimes.
We sit on it, we see what happens. Kid, there's no use second guessing. Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh, shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No. You?
You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License. Now, Franklin, maybe help Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of a background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo... Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, I've got a question for you. Did you pull an architectural, significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Well, Natalia will need a hotel while you finance the rebuild, won't she?
Sure.
Good. And I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range.
Of course.
Great.
That's nice.
Come on, man. Damn, you alright?
Never better.
So what now?
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. But fuck. Ah, man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs. Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. I'm gonna track him down. Just give me a little alone time, alright?
Alright, dawg.
Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man. I'm Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
That is messed up.
How you doing, beautiful? Hello. How you doing?
They get full meals in jail and can play with their childhood friends and exercise time. The only hope the grandkids will be as smart as they are.
Buddy, what's up?
Hi.
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon. Excuse me.
This is so bad.
You unenlightened fool.
Is this really happening?
I need to
Hey,
stop
sorry.
then and call my ass.
No!
I think I'm freaking out.
over. Don't lose a deadly weapon. South Burton. That's Lake Forest Boulevard.
Keep calm! Hands up! We got you! No! We have got a suspect in a vehicle.
Roger.
Fuck!
Just whatever.
I just hope you have proper hatred for yourself. Hey!
Hi!
How are you?
Just whatever. Holy shit!
Oh, wow!
Oh my God!